Okay, sorry, because somehow my mic it's not functional well somehow. Okay, when I talk too long and then all sudden it's have some technical error. Sorry, Okay, so just now I do like in the perceptual changes. Okay, about kids nowadays when they go back from school, they not solely go to the direct to back to house, but they do have like some lunch, or maybe they go back for their dine in to the fast food restaurant. This is the perceptual changes. It can be like in a different way on how not only just we have to go back to home to get our food, but we can go to anywhere that can serve like a fast food restaurant to them. Okay, so that is the different thinking of this generation, nowadays generation, to the another generation. Okay, so linking creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. In the creativity, they do have the production of the new and useful ideas, and there will be this discovery of opportunities, okay, the stages, and also they will come out with the new ideas. Okay, and then for the innovation, refining, evaluation, and first materialization of the new ideas, and then there will be have the evaluation of opportunity and output for the prototype pattern business plan. Okay, when start to have this idea, okay, they come up with a business plan on how they want to proceed with their business, and then of course they will try to give some like prototype to convince those people of how is the innovation look like. And then for the entrepreneurship, the creations of the value in the marketplace, and of course they will start to exploit the opportunity by having the new product, new service, or new processes. And you can see in here there will be like a latest science and technology, and I believe like nowadays there is a latest updates about AI, artificial intelligence, whereby mechanism that in order to replace the human labor, but they use like a more robotics in their system. But bear in mind, robotics, we can use it, but more control. Okay, because we believe that somehow we still need, okay, what we call labor monitoring on this robotics and the needs in society and the marketplace. And of course, how we want to cope the demand, because the demand and supply, I mean like the need and wants is come from the customer. So that's why we have to make sure, okay, that the need and in the society can be cooked. Okay, we can serve them. Okay, and then this is the market pull, and then this is technology push. When there is a latest science and technology, so people will use like apps, mobile apps. Okay, they use like Grab Food, Food Panda. Okay, and they use the Grab delivery driver. Okay, Grab documents. Okay, I used to have this because it is actually the example that nearby to you. Huh? All right. So we're moving on to the next one. Okay, the from a creativity to entrepreneurship screening opportunity. Okay, the creativity innovation entrepreneurship process essentially entails identifying and evaluating opportunities. So during this process, the business idea will be assessed to determine if they represent an entrepreneurial opportunity. For example, sustainable value and what can be created. So meaning to say, when we want to do some this creativity, okay, innovation, of course,